Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your CHiQ TV for the first time. So to do this, basically open your TV and you will have the welcome to the first time setup wizard window pop up. So we're gonna press OK on that, and from here we can choose the language for our TV and just pick whichever you prefer. For me it will be English. From here you'll need to accept and or read the data and data collection and firmware updates notice, view additional details. You can read all that and then just decide to decline all or accept. I'm gonna accept all. Connect to your Wi-Fi or your network, and you can do it wireless or wired. So I'm not gonna do that, I'm just gonna skip that part. Yes, I'm sure. And here you will set your password for your TV. So for me it will be 1111. Okay. Then you need to confirm the same password, so it's 1111. Okay. And let's get back. And from here you need to choose your region. So basically for me it's Poland, so I'm gonna choose that. Now we're gonna choose the time zone of our of your current time. So for me it's Warsaw GMT +1. Device settings, confirm your TV mode settings, and here just choose if you're using the home device in your home or it's on the display in the shop. So I'm gonna wing with the home one. Signal source, you can choose the signal from which the screen will be shared from. For me it's DTV basically, like you can choose whichever cable you have connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.